Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how I drilled the heads of the valve cover bolts on my AeroVee turbo engine so that I could safety wire them and make it impossible for them to vibrate loose in flight. While I was at it, I went ahead and installed upgraded neoprene gaskets for the valve covers. So let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these updates. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and thanks for watching. We're going to drill a hole in the head of this bolt for safety wire to secure the valve covers on the engine. Put a drop of oil on here, a little cutting oil. Okay, now we have a nice hole all through the head so safety wire can be used. Originally I used cork gaskets for the valve covers and they don't seem to be sealing perfectly. They're leaking just a little bit. So I've decided I'm going to try these aftermarket neoprene gaskets to see if that'll make the difference. So we'll go ahead and remove the bolts that hold the valve cover in place, and we'll switch out these gaskets. Okay. Okay, got the bolts started, snug them just a little bit. And they need to be torqued to 120 inch-pounds. So I'm going to do 40, 80, and then 120. $30, $40. Okay, that's 40. Go to 80. Here's 80. and then 120. 90, 100, 110, 120. On the SONEX Builders Forum, several of the builders have indicated that they've had a problem with these bolts on the valve covers vibrating loose in flight and actually maybe losing a bolt and leaking oil and so forth. So in order to make sure that doesn't happen, I went ahead and drilled the heads of these bolts so that I can safety wire them together so they can't come apart in flight. Okay, we'll go ahead and safety wire this. Okay, cut the excess off. Tuck this away so that we don't poke ourselves on this sharp end. And you've got the safety wire. So now this wire is pulling this bolt tight, and it's also pulling this bolt tight.